In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Using this phone as my daily driver, I tested recording in different environments just to show you exactly how to use the Voice Memos app on this iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, you need to access Voice Memos by tapping on the Utilities folder and clicking on it here. Now to start recording, use red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. If you want to record in the background, you can close Voice Memos app. And as you can see, it's still recording. To go back, just tap on the Voice Memos app again. Now to see all options of your recorder, you need to hold this line at the top of this pop-up and drag it all the way up. Then check out all of those options. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom in the middle. To listen to it right away, use play button and even skip it each way thanks to those 15 seconds marks. If you want to replace a piece you already recorded, you can tap on replace after sliding it to the proper section and record over it to correct it. To continue your recording, just swipe it and tap on the same red button to continue. Now, most people don't know that you can actually pause your recording and edit it before you even finish it. To do that, click on those three dots at the top left corner. Select Trim and edit your recording right away. I want to delete this part, so I have to select it and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then apply my changes by clicking on Apply button at the top right corner. To rename your recording right away, click on New Recording and type in whatever you want to. If you want to enable transcript, click on this icon of a message at the bottom left corner. You can switch it off the same way. Last but not least, before we finally save our new recording, tap on those three sliders at the bottom right corner and play with those options. You can enable or disable Studio Voice and even adjust it thanks to this slider. And tap on this checkmark at the top right corner to save your changes. You can also change playback speed thanks to this slider here. If you change your mind, hit reset at the top left corner. Then tap on the checkmark at the top right one to go back to your recording. Finally, to end it and save it, tap on the checkmark at the top right corner again. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it and use play button. Now, to make some changes to it, you can click on those three dots on the right and use all of those options like edit, rename or share. You can also tap on this icon of a frequency on the left and then record over your recording or swipe it and finish it. To save your changes, tap on the checkmark again. Then decide if you wish to save it as new recording or save this version. To get rid of any recording right away, use this bin below it on the right. If you made a mistake and, for example, deleted recording you didn't mean, don't worry, I got you. You can click on this icon at the top left corner. Tap on Recently Deleted. And then select one of your recordings by tapping on Select at the top right corner, clicking on the chosen one, and hitting Recover at the bottom left one. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Recover Recording again. If you want to get rid of any recording, even from your bin, you can select it the same way and hit Delete at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Delete Forever. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!